Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect Aliexpress to Shopify using Dsers. First, navigate to the Shopify App Store and search for the Dsers app. Install it directly into your Shopify store. Once installed, you'll need to create a Dsers account and then link it to your existing Shopify store. This authorization step is crucial, allowing Dsers to access and manage your product and order data seamlessly. It's a straightforward process that takes just a few minutes to complete. Next, you'll want to link your Aliexpress account to Dsers. Begin by installing the Dsers Chrome extension, which is a powerful tool for importing products. After installation, log into your Aliexpress account directly through the Dsers dashboard. This step ensures that Dsers can communicate effectively with Aliexpress, allowing you to browse and select products with ease. The connection is typically confirmed with a simple notification, indicating you are ready to proceed. Now, let's get those products into your store. Browse Aliexpress for items you wish to sell and add them to your Dsers import list with just one click. Within Dsers, you can easily edit product details, such as descriptions, images, and pricing, to match your brand. Once satisfied, push these selected products directly to your Shopify store. This process is quick, often taking less than 1 minute per product. Finally, Dsers simplifies order fulfillment significantly. When a customer places an order on your Shopify store, Dsers automatically syncs it. You can then place the corresponding order on Aliexpress with a single click, saving you valuable time. Dsers also helps you track order statuses and automatically updates your customers, providing a smooth and professional experience from purchase to delivery. It truly streamlines your dropshipping operations.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.